So guys, welcome to my channel. How to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So officially driver. Okay. So first you have to come on this www.gigabyte.com. Now you can see here the search button. Then you type your model number Z890 Eagle and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then you can see this is title of your motherboard name, and just click on that. Then click guys support. Select your operating system which is your driver required, because I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so you can almost installation process same. You just see this video and install in the Windows 11. Okay, then driver and VGA driver, so click to download. This is actually ITE USB driver. Open this. Then yes, yeah, it is done.